We are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up NXST. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle, long wick down to the bottom. Pattern could be forming. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And adding third level highs. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. So price action, monthly time frame, bullish green candle, push down to the bottom, still has enough momentum to push up, ran into a resistance line. Price is sitting near the overall highest high of the market and third level highs, and that consolidation was drawing out a pattern. Price action is currently at 187.61, so if price works its way up, we know that it's headed to the next SR line of resistance at 191.46. If price breaks that area, it can head to the top of the fourth to last candle wick, and we look for the break and retest at 204.83. Before making it 204, it can tag the numbers nearing 198.47, which would be the third to last candle highest wick area. If price action decides to draw back for a reversal or just for a retest, it can tag the midpoint of that area between the black and the red SR lines of 179.39. Before tagging that, it can tag the numbers at 185.33. So if this market works its way up further, let's take a look at what's going on. We see market came from a low, created a pattern at the midpoint, received the break, to retest, pushed up to a high. Now, once the market at a high, we have to see what's going to happen. So we do see that price, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th candles in the market is all consolidating on that level. So we're looking for the breakup or the breakdown. So we look for a pattern to identify itself. So if that market does pushes up, we can see that market can draw itself out for coming down in red. Will be the first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom, a retest, and the market pushing. Currently active candle, but it can still break out this area. So it'll be coming from a double bottom and a retest or a triple bottom. Now if that market is rejected after the touch, market can be identifying the overall first, second, third, fourth. Retest with the price action, follow up with the reversal, coming down from a double top and a retest or a triple top, or that market can continue to consolidate before the breakout to the top side or to the bottom side. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action weekly time frame is a bullish green candle coming from a pattern. So we do see the W here and the W here. So what happens overall is identifying the what? The break, the retest. So it'll be overall first, second, third, fourth. And we're going to see that market breaks out within that spike down. For the break and retest, we have a double bottom on this side and also a decline W on this side that pushed that market up. So we can clearly see that price action is at the resistance line. So it's near a zone. It can be tagging that zone, so it can maybe consolidating for a reverse, consolidating, or maybe it's going to follow with a bullish green candle, and we'll clearly see that full breakout with a bullish green candle retest and see that market's going to work its way up for that double bottom and retest. Headed down to the daily time frame. So price action on a daily time frame reading as a bullish green candle pushed up to the top. So it tags something in this area, which would be near that could be near that zone area. We'll talk about that on a 4-hour time frame. But all we know is that market did identify that overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up. Huge gap in the market. Now we got to see what's going to happen at this area. Is it reversing? Is it consolidating? Or is it going to push up with the following bullish green candle? 4-hour time frame. So we can know that price action above. Price action 4-hour time frame, bearish red doji, indecisive. So we can see right above price action, we do have that resistance line. So that's near area of a zone. So we can see that market is tagging that zone. So let's read the market. So gap in the market, third to last candle, huge gap in the market. Market spiked up. It just worked its way sideways on that zone. And now we have to continue to see what's going to happen as we walk down the time frame. Headed down to a 3-hour. 3-hour time frame, price action reading as a bearish red candle. So that market is doing the same thing, which is spiked up and has worked its way sideways. 2-hour time frame, same as well, pushed up sideways, which is a pattern here, because if you think about connecting all the supports and you connect the resistance, there's a wedge pattern. So as we walk down the time frame, we're going to see that price is going to be bouncing up and down, and we're going to see if we're going to get the breakout to the top of that resistance into that zone, headed down to the 1-hour time frame. We can see that pattern's trying to form, so let's take a closer look. Price action 1-hour time frame, bearish red candle. So we can see that price did spike this area multiple times. So if it does drop down, come up in green, first, second, third, fourth, retest, get the engulfment price action candle towards the second, third, fourth, fifth, the last candle in the market, at least the body. Market create that triple top or double top on a retest. Headed down to the 45. Bearish red candle. So you can see that it did lose momentum. So it's identifying it did tag an area still side by side with the second last candle, which can be reversing until we see an engulfment towards the previous candles. We'll see if that market's going to work its way down. And we can see that pattern. That market does push up. We'll talk about it down a 30-minute time frame. Is identified as a break, a retest. So overall, first, second, third, fourth, price action is a retest. So it's a midpoint area. There's a midpoint area here. So you can see price action slightly broke it, but could be respecting it if it draws back. And that'll be the retest, followed with the bullish green candle. Market could push up and break out. Headed down to the 15-minute time frame. Same as well. Headed down to the 5 bearish red candle. Same as well. 5-minute time frame. Stretch this out. So you can see on the 5-minute time frame, price has broken to that zone about 4 times. And now we're breaking out of that zone. So we look for the retest to see if that market's going to push down further. Headed down to a 3-minute, same as well. So you got multiple retests on a 3-minute time frame with the price action. Bearish red candle pushed up to the top of the second last candle, same as well. What it did was market spiked down, spiked up, pushed down, spiked up, and it came back down. So there's a lot of breaking retests at that levels, and we can see why. So there's a pattern trying to form. So it broke retest 1, broke retest 2. Okay, so you can see that market, if it does break up, we'll see that first, second, third, fourth break, retest. Markets work its way into that zone for that double bottom and retest. You can just wait for the engulfment to a previous side. So it may look like this: first, second, third, fourth, break, retest, break, retest. You'll see that market pushes up to the next level. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, NXST, Star.